Okay, you're very welcome in our lesson for today. Today we are going to look at construction under two-dimensional geometry. We shall look at construction of an equilateral triangle. An equilateral triangle. Earlier on, we looked at an equilateral triangle as a three-sided shape, and one of its property is it has all the three sides equal. So when you are constructing, you make sure that all the three sides are equal. And when constructing, you need to follow the instruction given by the question. The question is very clear, saying using a pair of compasses, ruler, and a pencil only, construct an equilateral triangle of sides 5 centimeters. Yes, you are going to use the three instruments given to you. That is the pencil, a pair of compasses, and a ruler. I have them here. This one is my ruler, and this one is going to be my pair of compasses. In this pair of compasses, I have my pencil. So the three items given by the question, I have them here. You need to have also an extra pencil to help you in doing what shall call the sketch. To make you come out with a very accurate drawing, you need to have a sketch how that triangle is going to appear. So the sketch is going to appear like this. This is how our triangle is going to appear. This side, we have this side. We have also this side, and we have the third side. We are saying this is a sketch of an equilateral triangle. Then you need to indicate that this side will be equal to this side and also this side. So all the three sides will be equal, and the measurement is going to be 5 centimeters. Okay, so we can represent or we can name the intersecting lines here. We can say this one is going to be point A, then this one is going to be point B, then the last one is going to be point C. So these are the lines. The line AB will be equal to line BC will be equal to line CA, right? The line A, B will be equals to line B, C. It will also be equal to line C, A. So all the three lines are going to be equal. So this is our sketch. So let us now go and look into accurate drawing. How we can bring the 5 centimeters. So 5 centimeters, you need to have your ruler. This is my ruler. I'm going to measure 5 centimeters on my ruler, right? As I begin drawing. So we shall draw what we call the base line. When we reach here, we are going to have the base line drawn. Okay, the base line is going to be drawn here, like the way you can see. If the base line is drawn like that, this is the first line you are going to take the measurement for. You now get your ruler. You get your ruler here. Get your ruler, get your pair of compasses, and you measure. I'm going to measure 5 centimeters as instructed by the question. I'll stand at the point 0. When I stand at point 0, then I will measure my 5 centimeters here. Okay, I'll measure it there. Then I'll bring the line which has been measured here. I'll bring it. When I bring it here, when I bring it there, then I will leave my compass the way it is. To put your compass there, then you get a ruler and begin creating an arc, the first point here, this one. What do you call that point according to the sketch? This is point A. Then it is that point A where you come and stand. When you stand on it, okay, you see where you stand? Then you bring the 5 centimeters that you had measured, you bring it here. You have created an arc. with your 5 centimeters, and that one is point B. So here from A up to B is now 5 centimeters. Yes, the first one is 5 centimeters. Are we there? So you still have these 5 centimeters. You have not reduced, not even expanded. Now you're going to continue. You'll be using the 5 centimeters standing from this point and this point as you create another point C up. Therefore, we come and stand on point A here, and we create, or we make an arc up there. You see? Then you come to point B. You also stand on point B here, and you make an arc. You will realize that the lines that you've made, there is somewhere they are intersecting, and this is the point where they're intersecting. This is the point where they're intersecting. Now you put your pair of compasses down, okay, and get your ruler with a very sharp pencil. You are going to make sure the line that you're going to form, your triangle from, will begin from this point. Put a ruler here to go and meet this line. Then again you turn and come this side, like this one now, okay? You make sure you put your ruler straight, passing from this line. Try to check if it will pass there. Try to check before you rule. Can you check? Yes? Yeah. So if it is now like that, you draw a straight line, like this. You see? You draw that line. Then again you go to point B. You go to point B. You also plan for it. Come here, and you plan for it. You make sure you try and try. Then you again come and rule. Then your triangle will come like that. Your triangle will come like that. We now complete our property by saying this side is equal to this side and also equal to this side. And all of them, 5 centimeters. A, B line 5 centimeters. B, C is coming up here, okay? C. C is up there. BC also 5 centimeters. CA also 5 centimeters. Have we followed that one very clearly? Are you able to try it out? Yes. You can try it out using any centimeters of your choice. You have 3 centimeters, you can try. You have 4 centimeters, you can try. You can as well even try the one of 5. You can continue to 6. You can continue to 7. How to construct an equilateral triangle. Okay? That has been our lesson for today. And we are ending there for today. Next time, make sure you catch up with us again. We are going to look into construction of another shape. But I'm leaving you with this. Make sure you keep doing practice so that you make sure you are very accurate when it comes to drawing. I wish you all the best. Make sure Corona is still in existence. So stay home, stay safe. I wish you all the best. I've been Teacher Sam. For those who want to get into contact with me, you can get me in the following numbers: +256 +256 772 049691 for more inquiries. You can call that number. I'll guide you still where you are stuck. I wish you all the best and thank you very much.